Hello, welcome to PlantTube channel. In this video, we will be looking at some of the fruit and vegetables that I'm currently growing in the spring of 2022. We will be going through a garden tour and I'll be explaining in some detail about the current plant, fruit or vegetable that I'm currently growing. I'm sure everybody loves strawberries. Of course, it wouldn't be a garden without planting some strawberry plants. I have two types of strawberry plant varieties. One of the varieties I started from seed. So I'm going to try to cross-pollinate these smaller berries with standard larger berries. Project is currently in process. Subscribe as not to miss out on that future video. So let's move along. I have yet to make a video on growing squash from seed. These plants were started from seed. The plant looks very healthy and it seems to be starting to form multiple vegetables. Moving along to the next plant. One of my favorite vegetables is cucumbers. These cucumber plants were also started from seed and seem to be quite healthy. The green shoots sticking out of the soil in this planter box happen to be leeks. I had so many of them I didn't know where to put them. Next to my cucumber plants, further down, I have another planter box with my asparagus plants, also started from seed, 3 to 4 years old. The asparagus plants in the pots are a year and a half old. So what can be seen here is another planter box with carrots. I didn't thin them out, so I have no idea how successful they will turn out. There is a raised bed containing spinach, as can be seen from the top part of the screen. Spinach self-seeded and now is out of control. Moving along to my next planter box. Haven't really made a video on leeks yet. So leeks were started from seed and then transplanted to their final destination. I had to use a net here to stop the cats from using the planter box as a litter box. So in this raised bed I managed to squeeze some romaine lettuce, which also seems to be growing well. Here I managed to transplant some kohlrabi, which also seems to be growing well. I also planted several tomato plants which are scattered around the garden. These vegetable plants you see growing in water bottle containers are experimental, and if successful, I plan to make a future video showing exactly the growing process from start to finish. I'm going to stop harvesting asparagus in mid-May to let my plants recuperate. Tomatoes and asparagus are very well suited as companion plants. Here we have more experimental ways to grow asparagus. tomato plants here seem to be coming along well in recycled containers. Strawberries and tomatoes are not known as companion plants. However, they don't dislike each other, so they will be fine planted next to each other or in the same garden bed. Dragon fruit bears fruit for 5 months every year, usually early summer through mid-fall. This apricot tree seems to be loaded with fruit this year. I also have many other trees, including a fig tree, tangerines, lemons, oranges, and so forth. Feel free to ask me any questions related to the video in the comment section below. I hope you have found this video of interest and consider subscribing if you have not already done so. Also, I would appreciate if you hit that like button. Thanks for watching.